Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to fix an iPhone not ringing for an incoming call problem. There are a few things you can try to fix the problem, so let's watch the video till the end. The first solution is to turn off silent mode. This setting will allow all sounds to receive calls, texts, and other notifications. When you activate silent mode on your iPhone, it silences all sounds except alarms and timers. That means your iPhone won't ring any alert tones when you receive calls, texts, or other notifications. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap on the bell with the slash icon to turn off the silent mode. After that, you need to follow the second solution is to turn off the airplane mode from the control center of your iPhone. This can be advantageous as it allows you to reactivate wireless features like Wi-Fi, cellular, GPS, and Bluetooth. If the airplane mode is active on your iPhone, you will not be able to receive or make calls. Your iPhone will not ring and notify you of incoming calls. So, you need to turn off the airplane mode from the control center. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Check and tap to turn off the airplane mode if it is on. That's it. If the problem persists, the third solution is to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. With this setting, you will be able to receive any calls, notifications, or alerts on your iPhone. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Now you will see the little focus mode option since the iOS 15 has changed from Do Not Disturb to focus mode. Check if the focus mode is enabled. Press and hold on focus to see which focus mode is enabled. Tap on the focus mode type to turn it off. So, go ahead and check whether it is working or not. If the problem remains, then the fourth solution is to check your ringtone and volume settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure the volume level under the ringer and alerts is high. Turn on the toggle beside the change with a button to increase the ringer volume using the side volume button on your iPhone. After that, tap on the ringtone, change to previous ringtone, and select the audible ringtone on your device. That's it. If your iPhone is still not ringing for incoming calls, the fifth solution is to turn off Bluetooth. When your iPhone is linked to a Bluetooth device like AirPods, car stereo, headphones, or speaker, the ringtone may not be audible on the iPhone but on the connected Bluetooth device instead. To solve this problem, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Bluetooth option. From here, tap on the I button next to the connected hearing device and tap on the Disconnect or Forget this device option. After that, turn off the toggle beside Bluetooth. That's it. In this way, your iPhone will not be able to auto-connect with the Bluetooth devices. If the problem persists, then the sixth solution is to turn off Silent Unknown Callers. Once you disable this feature, you will hear the ringtone for all incoming calls whether they are saved in your contacts or not. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Here, turn off the toggle beside Silence Unknown Callers. That's it. Also, you need to ensure that the call forwarding is off. For that, you need to tap on the Call Forwarding option. Then, turn off the toggle beside Call Forwarding. If none of the previous solutions work, follow the seventh solution is to force restart the iPhone. You can force restart the device using a combination of the volume control and power buttons. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and at the same time press and hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. This process won't result in any loss of data on your device. Once the restart is complete, you can unlock your iPhone using your lock screen password. The next thing you have to do if you're still having issues, then follow the eighth convenient solution to check for software updates. Doing this will fix the software bug or glitch that is affecting the sound on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on the General section. Now tap on the software update and wait for some moments. Your iPhone will check for the software update and show the download and install options. If you see your device is up to date message on your iPhone, then skip this step. Now the ninth solution is to turn on Allow Notifications. This solution can solve the issue of the iPhone not ringing for incoming calls, particularly if the problem is due to app settings. All certain apps have their own notification preferences. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on the Notifications section. Then go for the phone notification settings. Here, make sure you have enabled the toggle beside Allow Notifications. Then select Options for alerts. Now say someone to call you and check if your iPhone rings for incoming calls or not. In case you are certain that your issue is related to network settings, the 10th solution is to reset all network settings. With this setting, only the network settings like Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and VPN settings will be removed. Your other device settings and data will remain unaffected. However, it's important to note that resetting network settings will disconnect you from any network you are currently connected to. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Now on the General Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the Reset option. You will see multiple options prompted on your iPhone screen. Tap on Reset Network Setting. Then enter your device passcode if you see the Enter Passcode screen. Select Reset Network Setting to confirm. After that, your phone will restart automatically and it will reset the network setting on your device. So, you need to reconnect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network or VPN after resetting the network setting. If the problem persists, then try the 11th solution, Reset All Settings. This setting will remove all settings on your iPhone, including network settings and other app settings. Performing this action won't erase any of your device's data or media. However, it will bring your device back to its initial state, just like when you first got it. It's important to create a backup of your device on iCloud or your computer before resetting any settings. This way, you'll be able to restore your settings later if necessary. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap the Reset option. You will see multiple options. Tap on the Reset All Settings option. Then enter your device passcode to continue. After that, tap on Reset All Settings to confirm your action. That's it. Your phone will restart automatically when the process completes. The number 12 solution is to contact Apple support. If you're having trouble with your iPhone not ringing, it might be a good idea to seek assistance from Apple. You can either visit a nearby Apple store or book an appointment at an Apple Genius Bar. By doing so, you can receive help from Apple's support team and get your device repaired. It's worth noting that Apple provides both free and premium services to help you resolve any issues you may be experiencing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.